Warmest greetings and merry meet. My name is Reverend Stacy Hill, and some of you may know me as Priestess Serona Rose. I have some very exciting news to tell you all. We are bringing back the Savannah Mystic Fair. Yes, great, huh? Right here to Savannah, Georgia, right down the road from the Bonaventure Cemetery. We will be having this event in the back room of the Bonaventure Cemetery Tours Welcome Center. We will have palmistry, astrology, tarot reading, angel readings. We will also have the Aura Fit vision machine there that will let you get a picture of your aura. Also, we will have energy healers as well. There's going to be some local artists selling their tarot decks, so please come on out and join us. We will be at the Bonaventure Cemetery Tours Welcome Center on June the 23rd, 11 a.m. Please check out our Facebook page, Savannah Mystic Fair, or you can email us at savannahmysticfairs@gmail.com, or check out our website, savannahmysticfair.com. I'll be seeing you there. Y'all have a great day.